Jai Gurudev to everyone. This is Minakshi, and today I am taking the maths of class 9th lesson number 3 coordinate geometry part 2 exercise 3.1. So before watching this video, if you haven't seen the introduction part of this lesson, then first watch that introduction part and then only go to the next part of this lesson. And the introduction part means the related videos to these lessons are available in the playlist of my YouTube channel. So let's start the first question. So in first question it is given, how will you describe the position of a table lamp on your study table to another person? So it is given in the question, we have to describe the position of our table lamp which is placed on the table to the another person. So to describe the position of a table lamp placed on the table, first we will mark the table lamp on a table, or we will place the table lamp on a table. So here we place the table lamp on a table and P represents the lamp. That is, let us consider the table lamp as P and the table as a plane. So this plane we consider it as a table and this P we consider it as a lamp. Next, now choose two perpendicular edges of the table as the axis OX and OY. So we will choose the two edges of the table, that is OX and OY. These are the two edges. We will give the name to them, that is OX and OY. Then measure the perpendicular distance A centimeter of P lamp from OY. So now from axis OY we will measure the perpendicular distance as a centimeter from OY to P, which is perpendicular to OY. So that is, we have placed the distance of measurement a centimeter. As the measurement is not given here, so we will take the measure of it as a centimeter, means we will consider it as a centimeter. Then measure the perpendicular distance B centimeter of P lamp from OX. So now from OX we will measure the perpendicular distance of measurement B centimeter, that is towards P. So the measure of this perpendicular line is B centimeter. So here we will write the measurement of it as B centimeter, as we have taken it as a B centimeter. So now by placing a particular measurement towards P lamp, we got the particular place of the lamp on the table, this point. So we will name it as B A. So that is, thus the position of the table lamp P is described by the order pair B comma A. So this is how the first question is. I hope you understand this question. Thank you so much for watching this video.